Let's turn, in the time we have left, to another politician who had a very bad week, and that is New York Governor Andrew Cuomo. It first came out that the state of New York had severely undercounted the number of people living in nursing homes who had died from COVID-19. And last month, Governor Cuomo said this about that. Take a look.
We're below the national average in number of deaths in nursing homes. But who cares? 33, 28, died in a hospital, died in a nursing home. They died. Now, one of Cuomo's top aides was quoted this week as having said that the Cuomo administration froze on, her word, froze on releasing the numbers when the Justice Department asked for them because they were concerned that the Trump administration was going to use those figures against them. Mark, how damaging for Andrew Cuomo?
Well, just think of it this way. Imagine if Donald Trump had done what Andrew Cuomo did and falsified data on the pandemic for political purposes. We'd have a third impeachment going. So, you know, but the other thing is that I think people are missing the real scandal here. So everybody's focused on the fact that he did not give data that was supposed to go to the Justice Department on August 23rd, investigating the deaths. The real scandal is that for months before that, starting in May, he was providing false data to public health officials. So public health, the virus that spread across the country was not the variant on the West Coast. It was the Italian variant that started in New York, and that seeded the entire pandemic across the country. Public health officials were desperately trying to figure out how this virus was spreading, who was most vulnerable, how they could stop it. And Cuomo fed them false data about who was getting sick and where. That is an unbelievably irresponsible thing to do, and it probably led to the deaths of a lot of Americans across the country because it interfered with the public health officials' ability to fight the virus. So I think that's the real scandal here, and it's very damaging.